Today we are spicing up the meat case with some jalapeno poppers. We're going to start by splitting the jalapeno very carefully down the center. Then Kayla's going to use a potato scraper to get all the seeds out. This will make it so it's not burning your mouth once you get all those seeds out of the jalapeno. Next, Edie's going to take some cream cheese, and using a butter knife she's going to fill that jalapeno with cream cheese. Last on the list is some bacon to wrap it with. This is our Dailies bacon that we sell out of our meat case. And there you have it. We're going to put the jalapeno popper into the air fryer for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. It's going to come out nice and crispy. Now to sample, we're going to go ahead and give that one a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching this Knutsen's Meats Minute. This is Caleb, and we hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more carnivorian content, like and comment down below.